On today's episode, I'm doing the rear toe arms slash spring bucket removal, because I've got true coilovers on it and the toe adjustment needs doing ASAP. So I've got a pair of VooDoo13 rear toe arms, and I've still got from the last video that I'll put up here of the SPL eccentric lockout bolts to stop the eccentric nut adjustment coming loose whilst driving. So I'll show you what I got and then I'll get underneath the car and start working on it. So they're the new Nissan bolts, the eccentric lockout bolts with the square washers to stop the eccentricness, and the VooDoo13 rear arms. That's it fitted. That's new Nissan bolt in the knuckle, and then I've got the SPL eccentric lockout, so that doesn't wiggle free with the eccentricness not doing anything. So it move this whole bar, which we don't really want. So there's the other one that's a bit rusty now, because it's probably ooh, geez, that is rusty. Yeah, both of them done. Ta-da! We shared one of these, but the other one was tight AF, and then the other one just shared. I shall show you that now. Shared that bad boy. Focus. Shared. Don't know where it's gone. But yeah, this is spring buckets out. I'm gonna keep them just in case they go back for some reason. Probably Dave was saying probably put poly bushes in there just so it lasts longer. Crap content. Yeah, boy.